guys could tell, but turbo is off. Let's go look at Cali's fastest 370Z. Well, this is definitely not a video I was planning to make anytime soon. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So like I said, this is not a video that I was expecting to make anytime soon. Yesterday when I put on the welds, I actually came down there to take some pictures, take that walk around for you guys. When I was walking around right here, I seen this. I don't know if you guys could tell, but that is oil in the exhaust once again. So I also did a pull that I didn't post in the previous video. As you guys can see, that is a lot of smoke. So oil in the exhaust, lots of smoke. While you full throttle can only mean one thing: the turbo is done. Apart from those two symptoms, there's actually oil all over the turbo. So yeah, the turbo is blown. What can I say, bro? I didn't even get to, what's up, bro? I didn't even get to freaking enjoy the tires yet. I'm probably gonna have to take off the turbo probably tomorrow and go get it rebuilt. Either that or just buy another turbo, but I really like this turbo, so I think I'm gonna rebuild it. And the homie David, you guys might know him, David Locote, Parts Galore, whatever, however you guys know him. He actually gave me a great idea. He said, rebuild it and do the T51R mod. So for those of you guys that don't know, that is actually a mod that makes the turbo sound like a jet. A lot of people thought that my previous Precision turbo had that. It didn't. But this one, someone's getting active over there. Damn, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna try to keep talking. I'm probably gonna do that to this one, so it could just sound even more like a jet. It'd be pretty sick. But yeah, guys, that's where the Z stands. I am not gonna be driving it until I get this fixed. I mean, I could drive it, but there's not really a point. Previously, when I broke my other turbo, I didn't have my Q50, so I would drive this car more. Now that I have that one, I'll just leave it parked until I fix it. But other than that, the Z is looking freaking beautiful. I love this tire setup, bro. Like I said, I was looking for these tires for so long. This is the perfect spec, bro. 17s, way better than the 18s I had. It looks so much better. Can't wait for the car to be back and for me to test these tires out. Probably once I rebuild the turbo, I'm probably also gonna turn up the power more. I'm gonna get some map sensors. Try to start full sending this stock block and seeing how far we go with it. And then after that is when the big power is gonna come. That's when I'm really gonna need these tires. That's all the smoke that I was talking about. It actually wasn't as bad this time, but still, bro, it should not be smoking. Alright guys, there's now probably like, today's what, Tuesday? It's probably like 4 or 5 days after the last clip you guys just saw. I ended up just not picking up the camera until right now, because right now we are about to take off the turbo and take it to my tuner, because he randomly told me that he's actually going to comp turbo tomorrow to rebuild some other turbo. So I was like, why not just take mine? So me and Eric, we're gonna take this thing off and we're gonna show you guys how easy it is and how fast it is to take off this rear mount turbo. This is actually one of the reasons why I went rear mount turbo, because it's super easy to service, super easy to take off, install, etc. So let's go ahead and get this started. I found some black gloves laying around and I told Eric, let's throw these on and look professional. So Mr. Eric here already started me while I was looking for the other tools. But let's go ahead and explain to them really quick how we're gonna do this.
Alright guys, so taking over, pretty much what I'm gonna do is take off that flange that's connected to the tomei to the hot side of the turbo. Taking that one off right now. Can it focus? There we go. And then this turbo kit's pretty easy, so it's literally just one bolt right here, one bolt right here, take off the oil feed line, and I think there's another oil return or something like that on the other side of the turbo, and that's pretty much it.
So like I said, we should be out of here like in 10 minutes. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back and look for the tools, since this man doesn't want to waste any time. We gotta look. We gotta find a 12 or a 13 size wrench, and my dad has like 1,000 wrenches right here. So let's see how long this takes us. Well, I'll just pick up the camera once I find it. All right, guys. Like I said, we're kind of in a time crunch, so Eric is just putting in work. We ended up finding the wrench. So we're gonna go ahead and leave the camera playing here, so you guys can see. Alright guys, after fighting with this turbo for I don't know how long, I'm not sure if the time lapse got it good, and I'm so sorry if I didn't record all of it. The turbo is off. Finally, it's off. Now let me see your phone flashlight, bro, real quick. I don't know if you guys could tell, but turbo is off after fighting with it for like 30 minutes. Beast.
Beast.
Alright, let's get out of here. It looks like these dudes are lining up for a race. I was gonna line up, but I was too late. Damn, bro, they're birdied right there. There's no way. Freaking Hondas, bro. It's funny though, because that used to be me back in high school. Well, actually, my RS6 probably would have got both of them, but well, I could have lined up, but I slept. All right, guys, made it to this man's house with this man. I actually picked him up.
What's up?
This dude actually came with me, but let's go ahead and look at.
Hey, bro, why are we fucking awkward?
Anyways, let's go look at Cali's fastest 370Z. This is a bold claim, but I know I'm not lying. This car is finally running, guys. He actually downloaded it the other day. I was supposed to come, but it made 900 and what, 26?
Yeah, bro, it's 2 in the morning.
Wheel horsepower. Just shut up.
It's 2 in the morning. Pump 85, G8. Gas station that G&M?
G&M.
G&M gas, 85. Whatever fucking ethanol that is, that's what it made it on. Whatever.
What the fuck is that? Oh. Anyways, so yeah, I made 926 wheel horsepower with what, like 707 torque? Something like that?
I kept the torque at 700.
Oh, yeah. You kept, it's conservative numbers, guys. He said that was on 21 pounds.
21 pounds.
And he actually has another map at 24. And he doesn't know what that makes, but point is, what I'm trying to say, this car could easily make 1,000 horsepower.
Chilling, bro. Chilling. It can make 1,000.
And what's actually funny is that this is actually like his spare motor. Like, he's actually building like a full sleeved one, like a crazy build that's not done yet.
Wait, tell everyone my secrets.
Oh, is that a secret?
It's 2 sleeve motors. At least get it right.
Oh yeah, that's actually, he actually has 2 of them. One for him and one for his girl, bro. That's insane. Like 2 sleeve. Okay, if this dude's the fastest right now, imagine them, bro. That's
It's
crazy.
like the throwaway motor. Like, fuck. All right, whatever.
I blew it
They put
over.
another one in.
But what I'm trying to say is, this thing isn't. I'm trying to convince him to let me take it to a meet, or at least for him to come with me to a
No,
meet.
dude, it fucking spins. I broke 6th gear already.
Oh yeah, the trans is fucked.
I already broke 6th gear for some stupid reason.
But look at the exhaust on this thing. It looks stock. What exhaust is that?
Custom bullshit. I don't know.
You got the bead locks in the back. But yeah, dudes, you guys are looking at the fastest. It was once the fastest NA370Z. Now it's the fastest boosted one.
Damn, I would give Jay a ride, but it's too late.
Yeah, it is too late. It's like what?
Man,
It's
this thing just
150.
spins too, so it's not fun.
It's 152.
Just throwing that in there.
But yeah,
We established that already.
this thing is sick, dude. Is that a cockroach? What are you doing?
Yeah, they're attracted to my car for some reason.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know.
Heads or tails?
Heads.
Okay, is yes or no? Which do you want to choose?
Yes or no?
Oh yeah, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Tails?
Okay, tails no.
Tails no.
So heads,
Yes, head tails
dyno
no.
will make 1,000 horsepower.
Heads. No, that's tails. That's tails.
Sorry, man. Guess it's a no.
What? To what?
I was gonna drive no dyno again and turn up the boost.
Right now?
No.
Oh.
Yeah,
Another
right
day.
now you fucking
Oh.
ball.
Fucking retard.
Come on,
Well, I don't.
bro.
Wow.
Right now, bro.
Dude, they just told me bring out a
You're
quarter.
fucking dying, bro.
Well, dude, those dudes don't sleep. On my defense, they don't sleep.
Who?
Those motherfuckers are there all day.
Who? The dyno?
Yes.
I'm not gonna go fucking dyno right here.
That's what I was just asking. Cause I was like, they just told me.
Oh, I'm not dynoing now.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, well,
fucking
sorry, Jane. Or do it again. Double or nothing.
Too late.
Whoa, that shit was gonna blow anyways. That was gonna
Okay.
blow anyways.
Okay, we'll do double or nothing.
Okay, what?
Well,
What's the
not double
double?
or nothing, but
What's the
if
double?
you get it right, we'll do 1,000. If you get it wrong, you gotta build your motor ASAP.
Well, I'm gonna build it regardless.
Like
So go
this
ahead.
week.
Alright? Nah, I'm good. I'm poor.
How's it going?
So what, bro? Is that the fastest Z out right now or what?
Fucking fastest Z ever out.
Damn. Everybody screen record that and send it to your group chats. Peace out. It's 3:25 in the morning, bro, and I'm still an hour away from home. And this fool works at like 8. Alright guys, it is currently 5:30 in the morning. Just got home not too long ago, but I had to edit this video for you guys. But yeah guys, you guys seen the turbo on the Z did blow up, unfortunately. It's just one of those things where it's a part, it breaks, it is what it is. You pay to play when it comes to these type of stuff, so it's cool. I'm not like that mad or whatever. I did drop off the turbo to the homie Adrian. He is gonna take it tomorrow, along with 2 other turbos, I think. So hopefully the wait time isn't too crazy and we get the turbo back ASAP to get the Z back on the road as soon as possible, and we try out those tires. With that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe for me, and hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.